welcome back to my channel. So when I was editing this video, I realized that I low-key forgot to film the intro part. I kind of just went directly to the airport. I forgot to give context to the video. So that's me doing that right now. In this video, I'm going to Vietnam with my family. It was a lot of fun. I was hoping to fit the entire trip into one video, but there's too much. So I don't think I'll be able to do that. Hopefully 2-ish videos. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get into it. We finally reached the airport and now we're gonna go in to we're gonna go check in. We made it into the airport, but now we need to check in. We tried to check in online, but it didn't let us for some reason. I think it was a visa thing. So now we're gonna go to Vietnam Airlines and check in. We got our boarding passes and now we're gonna go through immigration. And after immigration, we're gonna get some food because I'm really hungry. We looked at our options and honestly there aren't many, especially in Terminal 2. We just wanted a sandwich. There are no places that give us a decent sandwich, so we decided to come to Starbucks and we just got 2 sandwiches. We got an egg and mayo and a paneer tikka sandwich, so that's just what we're gonna eat. The food options are really bad. Eating. The food was honestly pretty bad. It was very bland. It was very it was not good. The bread was super dry. The filling was just not recommended. Don't go to Starbucks, guys. Even if you go, just don't get the sandwiches. It was just terrible. Now we're just waiting at the boarding gate. The boarding time is 10:40, so we're just waiting for time to pass. Going to the airplane. We're gonna go and board now. We are on the airplane and I look so tired. My eyes are red. I think I need to get some sleep. But we're on the airplane and they give us a blanket, a water bottle and a pillow, and we're just gonna sleep. But we have the window seat, so that's good. Stopped at GS25. We stopped at GS25 to get some drinks because it's incredibly hot and we've been sweating like mad. So we got Pocari Sweat, obviously. Got this Sakura sparkling flavored drink, which looked really interesting. And we also got some mochi, some strawberry cheesecake mochi. UNESCO heritage site, and because it's the closing time is 5 and we're here at around 4:30, so it's practically closing time and there's no one there, but it's honestly really beautiful and really peaceful. I think you could go up, but I need to find a way how to go up. There should be stairs. I just don't know where the stairs are. I mean, I saw people upstairs, so I think you can go up. Okay, so there are no stairs. I don't know how people went up. That is my question. Okay, maybe they're... Okay, I think they're on the side. I think I found them. Not expecting a whole ass garden up here. It's like a mirror maze, but without the mirrors. Vlog much in the beginning of the day because honestly, first of all, it was so hot. I was just sweating throughout. I think I've been through God knows how many liters of water and drinks, but I'm still sweating, and I still haven't needed to go to the washroom because of how much I'm sweating. And second of all, it took me a while to get used to like Vietnam and its roads. Y'all, it's too hot. It's absolutely insane. I think it's definitely gonna rain. It's too cloudy not to rain, and it's too humid not to rain. Honestly, I really thought I could get away with just leaving my hair down because I was like, no way, it can't be as hot as how hot Bangalore was this April. But it's just humid. It's so humid. I jinxed it mad. It started raining literally 2 minutes after I was like, I hope it doesn't rain. So now it's drizzling. It's not raining necessarily, but I think it's gonna start raining pretty bad. But honestly, it feels a little cooler, so at least that's good. And it smells really good as well. The walk from the UNESCO heritage site and to the lake was too far. It was a 35-minute walk, so we decided to get a Grab. The Grab was super cheap. And then we went into a 7-Eleven. So our guide told us there are no 7-Elevens here, but we found a 7-Eleven and we did a bunch of shopping. I will do a haul after I go back to the hotel room. And I got a peach and jasmine tea, so I'm really excited to drink this. Now we're at the lake, so we're just gonna sit near the lake and eat some food. I also got a Japanese egg mayo sandwich, which I'm really excited to try. Got the sandwich, but we forgot to pick them up. Y'all, bro, the rain made it hotter. She kept it for us. She saved it for us. But she heated it. I don't know how I feel about eating a heated egg mayo sandwich, but we'll have to try new things. Change is okay. It tastes really good, but I wish she hadn't heated it. I think heating it kind of ruined it. But it honestly tastes really good. So, and also I'm really hungry, so I don't mind. Let me try the drink. It's really good too, but I feel like there's more so jasmine than peach. And the jasmine, so there's like a bunch of jasmine leaves. Jasmine flowers at the bottom. And I feel like the jasmine gives it a very bitter taste, which is the part that I don't like. I wish it was more peachy than jasmine. The jasmine flowers taste is way too strong. The jasmine flower taste is way too strong. That's the only disadvantage. And that's pretty good. I just don't like the bitterness that the flowers leave. It's day 2 today, and today we're going to Ninh Binh. We left quite early. We left at around 7:10ish. We've stopped at a gas station to get some food, and I got a banh mi and a mocha coffee that my sister is holding, so I gotta show you guys right now. An activity planned today, which is bicycle riding. So we're all gonna cycle up to a temple. That's what our guide told us, and then we're gonna have some lunch, and then we're gonna come back. So I'm really excited about the bicycle ride. They said that we're not allowed to take the bicycle inside the temple, so we've parked here and now we're walking to the temple. Finished eating lunch. It was okay. It was mainly local food and there were more non-veg options, but we managed. Now we got some ice cream. I got this I think it's like an ice cream sandwich but in the shape of a fish. Okay, so inside there is chocolate ice cream and on the top these are tapioca pearls, basically sabaki. It is alright. It is interesting to say the least. Now we're going boat paddling and to the caves. They told us the boat paddling will be around an hour and a half. Boating and that was absolutely unreal. Now we're going hiking up the mountain. He said that this was called the Dragon Mountain, but apparently it's too risky. So we're gonna go up halfway and then decide. But the only problem is it's sunny now and we decided to go up. So we all bought hats. Let's see how it goes. Red tomato again. But so this is the midway point. If you go to the right, then you can go to the Lion Dragon, which is on the top. But if you go to the left, you can go to the city viewpoint. It's less dangerous, but you can only see the city. But if you go to the Lion Dragon, it's a little more dangerous. The stairs are slippery, but you can see pretty much everything. So now we're going up the Flying Dragon.